Where's the seashell down?
Dirt down? More? More? This is the trampoline at the park near our house. Yes, it is concrete around it, but it is rubber padded apparently on the outside. Still, not as safe as the state. Kayla called Tiffany my Tiffany the other day. It was really cute. She looked at Ella and said, "My Ella," and then looked at Tiffany and said, "My Tiffany." So, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? Can you say all done?
All done?
No. Stubborn butt.